Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually set or install or scan your Newmax decoder to actually get DStv channels, or use your decoder to actually track for the DStv signal. So DStv is a pay to view channel, which means that you're gonna pay for you to get access to it, but we have some few FTA channels on it, and you can use your Newmax decoder to actually track and monitor for the DStv signal if you don't have a satellite finder to track for the DStv signal. With the DStv decoder, you can use it to actually track and monitor for the signal whenever you want to do the installation for the first time. So all you got to do is to track for the signal on your FTA decoder, and then you proceed to do the necessary settings on the DStv decoder. You activate, and then you go ahead to actually get access to the channels on their main decoder. So the first thing that you have to do whenever you have a Newmax decoder to track or to get FTA channels on your decoder is to fix your satellite dish, whether you are having a stable signal on it or you don't have any signal. The next step is to connect the cable from the satellite dish into the LNB in port at the back of your Newmax decoder, which will actually enable you to get those signal in the ports. So at the back of your decoder, you have two different ports that will be receiving a signal. That's the antenna import and the LNB import for the satellite signal. So insert the cable from your satellite dish into the LNB imports, then you proceed with whatever I'm going to show you in this video. So the next thing is to pick up your remote and you press on the menu button, and from the menu here, use the arrow keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you put it on installation. So you press OK on it, and here is gonna request for the default password on the Newmax decoder, which is supposed to be 4 zeros. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 4 zeros. So you type in 0000 for the menu to open up. So here we have the installation type S2 and T2. When you change it to the T2, that's where you want to use it to set your terrestrial, digital, or antenna channel. So you need to change it to the S2 or leave it on the S2, and then you come down to the antenna settings. That's where you need to select your satellite, and then you select the transponder as well to proceed to scan or to monitor and track your DStv signal. So you have different satellite folders that they have installed on the decoder. So here you look through the list. We have the DStv exact satellite, which is the Eurotelsat 36B on the 36 degrees east. So you can select the exact satellite. This is the Eurotelsat 36A on the 36 degrees east. You can select it or select a different satellite name, and then you add the DStv TP in it. So here you select the satellite and you come to the transponder option. You press OK on it, and then you search through the list. If you're going to find a unique TP, definitely supposed to be in, which is 12245 horizontal 27500. So you search through and then you put it on it. If it happens to be that you can't find it, you go back to add. So we have that transponder over here, which is 12245 horizontal 27500. Alright, so since I'm having a stable signal from the satellite dish, it have indicated on the signal quality that I'm having 40%, but it's more than that. Just the decoder is showing only 40% right there. So in case you can't find it over here, or you select a different satellite folder, or you are using this same setup on your decoder and there is no DStv Eurotelsat 36A on your decoder, or you select a different satellite name, you have to add. So with the adding, you need to go back, press on the exit button to go back, and then you come to the transponder list. In the installation page, you press OK on it, and when you come here, you need to add the transponder on the satellite that you select. So here you need to select the satellite once again by using the command down below. You have the start option, the add, red, and then green, edit, yellow, delete right there. So you need to press on the SAT button on the remote, the SAT button on the remote, for the satellite option to actually pop up on the screen for you to select the satellite folder whereby you want to add the TP. So let's select the hotbed right there just to add the DStv TP. So here there is no DStv TP. All you have to do is to add, and with the adding, you press on the red button on the remote for the add menu to pop up, and then you add the TP, which is 12245 27500 27500 horizontal, and then you save it. So it already existed. You highlight it right here, and the next thing you have to do is to proceed to scan or to track. So here in this page, or on this page, you cannot proceed to scan for you to get all the channels that is on the DStv platform. They have locked it on the manual search. So with the manual search tool, you are going to get only few channels on the platform. So you need to go back to the antenna settings page once again, and then you come here, you select the satellite, whether the DStv exact satellite or the hotbed, which you add the DStv TP in it. You select that hotbed, and then you look through the transponder list. You put it on a DStv transponder, which is 122. You select through the list, and then you put it on it. 12245 2245. So you select through it. Alright, so here is it, and then you highlight it like this. And here, if you are about to track for the DStv signal, you put it on it like this, and the quality is not showing. All you got to do is to go to the satellite dish, and then you adjust it a bit to get the stable signal from the satellite dish before you can proceed to do the settings on your DStv decoder, or to scan and then get those few FTA channels that is available on the DStv satellite. So you press OK on the blue button, or you press on the blue button. You change the scan type to blind. The channel type, you can select FTA only to eliminate those channels that comes along with a dollar sign. But know that whenever you select this option, you're gonna get about 5 or 10 channels, because the DStv platform, we have only few FTA channels on their platform. So you select all, and then you proceed to blind scan the decoder to get access to the channel that is on the DStv platform. So if you have watched this video out to this far, all you got to do is to subscribe to this channel. You like the video, share on other platform, and you keep coming back for more. So all you have to do here is to wait for it to complete scanning, then you get access to the channels that is on the DStv platform. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.